So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can add folders to your favorites. So guys, in order to do that, you just need to follow these steps carefully. So guys, if you're a new user and you don't know how to do that, then this video is for you. So let's get right into the video without delaying. Now just go ahead and find the folder that you want to add to your favorite. And once you do that, once you find your favorite folder, you can find the favorites button right here, guys. So just tap on here, and in your favorites button, you can find airdrop, recents, application, desktop, downloads, and document. So if your folder is already under these, then guys, you have already favorited your folder. But if not, then just go ahead and add it to any of these destinations. You can either add it to your desktop or your downloads or your documents, or if you want to be more sure of which one's your favorite, you can just go ahead and add a tag to them. You can either tag green one or blue one or pink one or purple one. I'm going to use the purple one, and guys, there you go, it's right in your favorite and you have also tagged it. So that's how you add folders to your favorite in MacBook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.